Another day, another story. Allows for a faster start. It's simple to run your business with AliExpress dropshipping. You add products, write descriptions, possibly edit a few photos, market your products, process orders, manage customer support, and make store improvements. This becomes your general routine cycle. There is an additional layer with print on demand. You created the product. You'll need to create great text and sellable icons. Following the completion of the design, you must create mock-ups of the products or take your own product photos. AliExpress dropshipping does not necessitate any of these steps, making it easier to get started. Less dangerous business model. Dropshipping AliExpress products is the less risky option when compared to print-on-demand business. There is more data behind AliExpress to help ensure you have great products. In print-on-demand, you can only do your best in terms of design and hope that your offerings are appealing to customers. It can be difficult to determine which products will have an impact. That is why AliExpress has proven to be a more profitable business model for me. Based on order volume, seller ratings, and customer reviews, I can clearly see which products are worth importing. Print-on-demand versus AliExpress dropshipping, POD advantages and disadvantages. Cons of print-on-demand. The print-on-demand business model has a few flaws. Here are a couple of examples. Shipping fees are expensive. Shipping costs are typically the highest for print-on-demand. With 90% of customers preferring free shipping as an incentive over anything else, it's safe to assume you should provide it on your website. Absorbing the cost of US shipping, the majority of print-on-demand suppliers are based in the US, can quickly eat into your profit margin. If you try to sell internationally, you'll quickly realize that you won't be able to sustain the business in the long run. Expensive product. It's not that the costs of print-on-demand products are prohibitively expensive for what you get. I mean, for a one-off piece, it's not too bad for getting your own custom design on a product. However, the cost of print-on-demand services is prohibitively expensive for running a business. The starting price for a mug on Printful is $7.95. Add in $16.95 for worldwide shipping and you're looking at $25.90 USD for a mug. That doesn't even include the customer cost, because a retail price is required to ensure a profit for your store. Your profit must be sufficient to cover marketing and business expenses as well as pay salaries. Models from Mockup Generator all have the same appearance. Many print-on-demand services include a mockup generator that makes it simple to include a product photo on your website. This is ideal for new business owners. The disadvantage is that all of the mockups look the same. If you only sell leggings or phone cases, all of your product images will be the same. From a user experience standpoint, your store may appear very repetitive, making it difficult for a customer to decide which product to purchase. Having models wear the product or having different types of settings for your product photos can help make the online shopping decision-making process easier. It is necessary to be creative. Design of a blog. If you're creative, a print-on-demand business is probably your best bet. Many of us aren't, and if we can't come up with a catchy slogan or font, your products are unlikely to sell well. Outsourcing design is one solution to this problem. POD design services are available on sites such as Fiverr and Upwork. When selecting designs for your shirts, solicit feedback from friends and social media acquaintances to ensure you select the best ones. Profit margins may be slim. You may be tempted to order a large number of products from your supplier in order to take advantage of the low cost of bulk printing without knowing whether or not you will sell all of the units. This means you may not sell everything and will have to pay for warehousing or disposal of these items. Print-on-demand companies must be careful not to overestimate their initial success in order to avoid overspending on stock. Print-on-demand versus AliExpress dropshipping. The advantages and drawbacks of dropshipping. Cons of AliExpress dropshipping. One major issue keeps people away from AliExpress dropshipping. Here's an example of a dropshipping scam on AliExpress. Product excellence. The most common reason people avoid trying AliExpress dropshipping is a concern about quality. Some claim they do not want to sell Chinese products. In reality, the majority of print-on-demand merchandise is also manufactured in China. China is the world's largest producer of goods. While there are a few bad suppliers on the platform, there are also a lot of good ones. Even the best jewelry I've ever purchased came from AliExpress. I even have picture proof of an AliExpress unboxing for a case study. You greatly reduce the risk of experiencing an issue if you stick to proven sellers with high order volume and high reviews. My AliExpress dropshipping store's refund rate hovers around 1 to 2%, which is fairly typical. Shipping times that are longer. Because the majority of AliExpress suppliers are based in China, shipping takes longer than in pod drop shipping. Nonetheless, many suppliers have established warehouses and fulfillment centers in Canada and the United States. You can find these dropshippers by selecting the category of items you require and setting the country where you want your items shipped from the top of the AliExpress homepage. Isn't it simple? When you use an app like Desers to source products from AliExpress, you can see where an item ships from right on the product listing page. Print on demand versus AliExpress dropshipping. What's the difference? While print on demand and AliExpress dropshipping have distinct differences, they also have many similarities. Here are a couple of examples. They are both based on dropshipping. There is no bulk inventory to transport. Products are packaged and shipped directly to your customer by the supplier. The majority of order processing is automated. When a customer places an order, you simply click a button to send the customer's product information to your supplier. Print on demand and AliExpress dropshipping are both low-risk business models. You do not need to purchase inventory in advance and only pay when a customer places an order through your store. To achieve great results, both require a similar skill set. A print-on-demand business necessitates more inventive thinking. Both, however, necessitate marketing, customer service, and advertising skills. You can mix print-on-demand merchandise with AliExpress products if you're a creative person with an entrepreneurial spirit. Having a combination of the two gives you a competitive advantage. You can provide your customers with a wider range of products, more competitive pricing, and run a more profitable business. Which is the more profitable option? Dropshipping on AliExpress. To summarize, dropshipping is more profitable in the short term, but pod can also be very profitable in the long run. Especially if you work hard at the start with great design production, brand identity, and selling your creations on some marketplaces. Dropshipping and print-on-demand are both lucrative business models. Dropshipping is more profitable in the short term because shipping costs are lower, allowing you to offer free shipping to your customers without eating into your profit margins. The product prices are also lower, allowing you to charge market value while still making a profit. It does, however, help to ease customers into a purchase with a great deal. However, in the long run, pod can be very profitable, especially if you work hard at the start and come up with great design ideas. Later on, you can sell your creations on various marketplaces.